So starting the test drive in this XT6 here, I like the V6. The 2-liter turbo feels more exhilarating, but the V6 definitely has more grunt to it, more power. And especially if you're going to be doing some light towing with this vehicle, it's nicer, I think, to have that V6 capability. Even though the 2-liter will do its thing too, but it's always nice to have that higher displacement, more cylinders. So I'm going to give it a nice pull here, getting on the interstate. Here we go. So pretty impressive for it just to be in the all-wheel drive mode. It wasn't even in sport. But I love that sound from the V6. Very strong. Now the XT6 has a history of being one of the best riding 3-row SUVs in my opinion. It's so nice. Very smooth. Even with these 20-inch alloy wheels here, not feeling any vibration in my feet. And it's smooth sailing down the road here. And pretty quiet in here, not a lot of wind noise within the cabin. And again, the road noise is not even noticeable. And I love the Cirrus with the dark titanium, because you have the gray in all these areas, but then you have the beige everywhere else, which is very, very nice. Now for almost $65,000, this definitely isn't cheap, but how it's equipped is pretty good pricing, I think, compared to an Acadia Denali or really anything else in the segment that kind of sits on this platform. Now it's no Armada or a full-size Tahoe, but it is very nice, and I do like the space that you get here along with the features. Now this one is offered here at Cadillac of Murfreesboro, here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And what's great about that is you get a lifetime powertrain warranty included when you buy this vehicle. So any new vehicle they sell here is gonna come with that lifetime powertrain warranty. So if the engine, the transmission, drive axles, even if you have a turbo on there, if any of that goes kaput for whatever reason and you've kept up with your maintenance, you only have to pay I think $100 deductible or something like that, and your repairs are covered. And that's for however long you own the vehicle. So if you want to hypermile something and put 500,000 miles on it, it'll be covered there again, as long as you keep up with the maintenance. Which is really how you're able to get some of these vehicles that go 300, 400, 500,000 miles. It's not because certain vehicles are bulletproof or they won't fail. It's just because the maintenance is kept up with. But if you're looking to get the best price on any new vehicle in your area, just make sure you click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out the information, and I'll get your local dealers fighting to get you the best price on one of these. And again, this one's not cheap, but you could probably get you a deal towards the end of the year on a 24. 25 might have to wait till next year, but they might redesign these for 26, and then who knows. But I think a lot of where this vehicle is dated has to do with how ahead of the curve the XT6 was in terms of the exterior design, the interior features, the screens and everything. This still feels new. It doesn't feel futuristic, but I do love how this one is equipped. I wouldn't mind having one. I wouldn't feel like the infotainment screen is dated or the AC controls are dated. it still feels like a brand new Cadillac. But with all this being said, here's the end of my review of this 2025 Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury with all-wheel drive.